In this video, I'll talk about the attribute editor for lights. So to add a light, you add it in the same way as you add an object. You hit Shift A and then you go to light, and let's add an area light to this. So I'll hit G and Z to move it up. To access lit mode, you can do that from the menu up top here. So this is just standard shading, this is material shading, and this is lit mode. So if we do that, we go into the lit mode, and if I hit R on this, I can rotate the light about. So if you want to access the properties of the light, the properties of the light are situated in this left toolbar where the bulb is. If you go Object Data Properties, it gives you the attributes of the light. So you can change the size, you can change it from, like usually when we work, at least when I work, I use a rectangle, so that gives me 2 dimensions. So I could do that and do that, and then up the wattage. You can affect the diffuse, specular and volume shading if you want, but this is the place where you access the properties of the light.